Welcome back to social studies. Yes, what all we studied at previous class? Yes, we studied about seasons. In that, the first season is spring season, right? Next, we are gonna see everybody open your page number 10 in that introduction to the summer season, right? Everybody knows, right, how the summer season we feel? Yes, on the summer season it will be very hot. Yes, we can't feel that coldness or chillness, right? Yes. Now we'll see on which month we can see the summer season. Yes, especially we can see on the month of April, May, June. Those 3 months is summer season. What is summer? The summer is nothing but hot, right? Yes, on that summer season the sun will be very bright and the days are very long, right? And we usually wear which clothes? We wear colored cotton cloths. For what purpose? Due to the hot, right? Yes. On which month the summer season will be start? April, May and June. Yes. Why? Because those 3 months will feel very hot, right? Yes. Now we'll see swimming is the most enjoyable exercise during summer. Yes. What we'll do on summer season? We always prefer swimming, right? Yes. As well as eat healthy fruits and ice cream. Yes. What we'll ask to mama? Mama, I need ice cream to eat, right? Yes. For what purpose? We'll feel very hot, right? Yes. And we'll drink lots of waters and juice. On which season? Due to on summer season. Yes. Now we'll see which all the fruits and vegetables will grow on the summer season. Okay. List some of the summer fruits and vegetables. We'll see which all the fruits we can grow. Yes, obviously mango. Everybody knows, right? Mango. Yes, mango. And next we can see which fruit? Yes, watermelon, which we can see watermelon. Yes. Next, which fruit we can see? We can see, yes, orange. Which fruit? Orange. Right? Yes. Next, which fruit we can see? Yes, grapes. Right? Yes, those we can see fruits, and muskmelon and cherry, strawberry, those and all we can grow in the summer season. Now we'll see which all we can grow vegetables. Yes, which all vegetables? Yes, cucumber, right? Yes, cucumber is the summer season vegetable. Yes, as well as which we can grow? Onion, right? Yes, onion too we can grow. And next, yes, radish. Everybody know, right? Radish. Yes, again, next vegetable we can see is potato. Potato. Yes, potatoes. Okay. Yes. Which all fruits we can grow in summer season? Yes, mangoes, oranges, watermelons and grapes, right? Yes. And what all the vegetables? Cucumber, onion, radish and potato. Those all nothing but which we can grow in the summer season, fruits and vegetables, right? Yes. Next, everybody open your page number 12 in that which all the flowers we can grow in the summer season? We'll see. Now, which flower is this? Look at this hint. Yes, this flower is, yes, China berry. China berry we can grow in the summer season. Okay. China berry. Okay. Those we can grow in the summer season. Right? Yes. Which flower is this? This is nothing but cosmos. With COSMOS, cosmos. Okay. And which is this flower we can see in it? Yes, lily. Which flower is this? In summer season will grow? Lily. Yes. Next, which flower is this? Yes, orchid. Which flower is this? Orchid. Right? Yes. Last but not the least, which flower we can grow in summer season? Yes, sunflower. Which? Sunflower. Okay. Yes. Yes. Which all flowers we can grow in summer season? Yes, China berry, cosmos, lily, orchid, and sunflowers. Yes, those and all we can grow in the summer season. Right? Yes. As well as what all we studied now? Yes, we studied about summer season. What is summer season? Summer is nothing but very hot, as well as on that month sun will be very bright and it will be a day longer. So what we prefer? We always prefer cotton cloths, right? Yes. And on which month the summer season will be start? It will start in the month of April and it will end in the month of June. So April, May, June is the summer season. Which all the fruits we can grow in summer season? Mango, oranges, watermelons and grapes. Right? Yes. And which all the vegetables we can grow in the summer season? Cucumber, radish, onion and potatoes, right? Yes. And which all the flowers we can grow in summer season? China berry, cosmos, lily, orchid and sunflowers. Okay. Yes. Page number 13 we'll see at next class. Okay. Bye students. Meet you up at next class.